Are you having problems with not being able to log in into your account on the Perplexity AI app? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because this is how I fixed it myself. I firstly closed the Perplexity app and instead I went into the settings app on my phone. So now on the settings app, I just scrolled down in here and then I clicked where it says general. So I just clicked on general, and as you can see, you should now be taken to this page, which is perfect. So now what I did on this page is that I just scrolled down and then I clicked on storage right here, as you can see. Now what you're going to do is to just simply wait for this page to completely load everything. So we're just going to keep waiting here. Now when it's done, just swipe up like this until you can see the search bar up top. So just click on the search bar, search for Perplexity here, then click on Offload App, and once again click on Offload App in here. Just wait a couple of seconds for it to load here, and then click on the Reinstall App button. And now what you're going to do is to just simply wait for your Perplexity AI app to completely update to its latest version. Because by doing this, you're going to get the absolute latest version for the app, and this actually fixed it for me. So go back into the app when it's done, try again, and hopefully this is going to be fixed for you as well.